We're Tom and Hannah, and we've been travelling around New Zealand for the past 5 months. In this video, join us as we finally make our way down to the South Island. The time is 6:30. We are very tired.
I'm so tired.
It is way too early. But we're also really excited because we're going to go on the Interislander ferry down to South Island.
But you're excited. I'm nervous. I don't travel well.
Apparently it is one of the roughest ferry crossings in the world, so I'm hoping for a smooth sailing.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling kind of nervous.
Yeah? Have I rubbed off my nerves on you?
Yeah, Hannah's rubbed off her nerves on me. As we were pulling into the vehicle check-in, I was like, what if we don't get on? What if it gets cancelled? What are we going to do?
Oh, it's weird to be like
moving
on, like properly moving on again. And I think especially because we've been in the same place for so long, just in the same area of the country for like 6 weeks, something like that, maybe longer.
Yeah. We're really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be expensive. I think we're probably only going to be able to do a month before we need to find work again.
Oh, definitely need to get work soon.
For now, we're just enjoying it.
Yeah, we're going to like properly just take our time to travel again. It's been a while, it's been too long, so I'm looking forward to that. We saw dolphins earlier on. Well, I saw dolphins earlier on, and Tom had just gone to the toilet and missed them, so I had to like whip out my phone and film them. After we googled about the crossing being the roughest in the world, I was like, I'm gonna be so ill. But actually it's been fine, and I think we're like pretty close to South Island now. That's South Island there. Looks so beautiful. We don't look like we're that far away from North Island actually. North Island is only there. I think. No.
There.
There. Where is it? There.
There. It just gets better and better.
It's stunning. Welcome to the South Island.
Hey!
Feels like we're in a different country.
I know.
It's exciting.
We just got ice cream from a place called Scoop, and this is white chocolate and raspberry.
It's very good.
It's incredible.
So we're just on a bit of a late afternoon evening stroll just along the waterfront, and it's really, really peaceful and relaxing here. But yeah, we're officially in South Island.
Set foot
How exciting.
on the south.
People kept telling us for like the entire time we were on North Island that the South Island is so much more beautiful, and honestly we're only in Picton, which is like the first point off the ferry, and I believe them.
Yeah,
it is beautiful.
already.
Like North Island was stunning, but there's something about the vibe of these hills and mountains and the water. Oh my gosh, I have high hopes.
Yeah,
big time.
we've got high hopes so far.
We've also checked into our hostel, Atlantis Backpackers, and it is the quirkiest, coolest hostel we've stayed in New Zealand so far. But all with a kind of underwater sea theme.
Like, yeah, it's almost Greek. They've got like murals and paintings everywhere of just like Greek myths, but underwater.
And we're staying in a 28-bed dorm, but it's kind of separated, and we have our own little space behind a curtain, so it actually feels like a little bit of a private space. But yeah, it honestly just feels like being in a child's bedroom. But I love it, and I love the owner, and it's just, I love it. The next day, we went for lunch and a walk with some friends that we made at the hostel, so we didn't film much. Then we headed back to the hostel with them to chill for the evening.
We have just left Picton and we have left our hostel at Atlantis Backpackers.
We're really going to miss the hostel, it was so nice, and Picton was such a lovely little town.
I think I could have stayed there for a month and been quite content. We're going to do a bit of a road trip now around the north part of the South Island, maybe take in Abel Tasman, do the Lewis Pass, which we're really, really excited about.
So if you want to join us and see those adventures, hit the subscribe button.
And ding that notification bell.
But until then,
we'll see you on the next one.
See you next time.
Bye.